Hello, Showtimers! Today I'm showcasing Darth Vader. Dun 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 dun. Black, red, white, blue, gray, silver, engine in the front. Darth Vader looks like a Corvette. Darth Vader, cool. I'm finished. Goodbye, Showtimers.